I love this question. This is so easy. It's clearly about lines. I know that because the choices talk about slopes and y-intercepts. And anytime I have an equation where there are two variables and no exponents, at least on the SAT, it's very likely that we're dealing with a line. And so we're going to use the get back to basics strategy. Because what they did here to make this harder is they took your line and they made it look less like a line. To me, lines are easiest when they're in y equals mx plus b format. Okay, that's your central equation. That's your safe place. So anytime you've got a question that's about lines, your goal should be first and foremost to get back to that place because we understand the world of lines better when we're in that form of the equation. So how does that look? Well, 2y minus 3x equals negative 4. We're going to move some stuff around. We're going to isolate y. So we start by adding 3x to both sides. So we get 2y is equal to 3x minus 4. And then we divide by 2. And we get y is equal to, and this is annoying, but it's fine, 3 halves x minus 2. That's my equation. And so now look, that matches up perfectly with y equals mx plus b. And then that lets me understand what I'm dealing with, right? Because we know that m is the slope. And 3 halves is a positive number. So the slope is positive. So that gets rid of choices A and B, right? It's not negative. And we see that the y-intercept, the b portion, is negative. So there you go. Choice D. That's it. Much easier to understand when we're back in y equals mx plus b format. I want you to have to memorize as little as possible on the SAT. Y equals mx plus b is one of those places where we've got one equation, 4 letters, and it gets so many points because everything kind of comes back down to this one equation. So get back to that place, and then you have some stuff that you need to memorize, but it's not so bad, and it's worth a lot of points.